So me and Daddy are back in the grocery store shopping for the Chipotle Bowls. We're in Wholefoods right now. So far I just got the red onion. And then we need a red pepper. These up there look a little bit more brighter. I mean a little bit more redder. This is pretty. This one still got a little, like, it's not as vibrant as these. But this one may be a little small, but I can't even reach all the way up there, y'all. Where is Daddy at? This one actually looks a little bit better. And I need a bag. Now we also need some guacamole. So I don't know if we're gonna make it. Yeah, are we gonna buy the already made?
I got some cilantro and some.
Okay, here go Daddy, y'all.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We out here making our homemade Chipotle bowls.
Yes.
Alright,
we need
so let's just get some
guacamole.
guac.
Is that gonna be enough? That's just enough for you and.
Nah, it's gonna be enough because we're not gonna eat up all the guacamole. They're gonna have to share.
How much is that?
$6.
God dang, we better just make it our own. For that little container.
Y'all wanna make your own guacamole?
For that much?
I know, right?
That's normally like the size of a big one. And the big one is double the cost.
This is enough. And they're $1 off.
So $5.
So it's $5.
Okay.
This one doesn't have any tomatoes in it though. This one has tomatoes and stuff in it.
Okay. Alright,
Let's go to the meats. Come around to me.
we got the cilantro, the green onions. Oh, we need some limes. Yeah, they right there. Yeah, we need some limes for the rice and the corn salsa. Okay, there we go. Now we a little bit more clear. So fuzzy.
A bag of limes.
Okay, and then the corn, because we really can do fresh corn or the frozen corn. It's 4th of July time. It should be on sale right about now.
It's corn right there.
They don't have like the. Let me see. Okay, yeah, $3.99. Okay, so we'll get this. Y'all know it's 4th of July time. They normally have like the 10 ears for $2. They don't have that in Whole Foods. You know, around the 4th of July, how they be having like the ears of corn 10 for $2.
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, so right now we're about to get some steak. So Twan wants some steak in his bowl. But we're gonna get some chicken thighs also. You know, that's the juicier meat. His favorite spot of the store, Whole Foods, is the meat section.
Let me get that one. Yes. And also let me get the one right next to it. And that's the steak that we're going to use for our steak and our Chipotle bowls tonight.
Okay. But what you gonna marinate it in though? So
I got the Chipotle seasoning and stuff in the house.
okay.
We already got that part.
Okay. We have enough?
Yeah. And then we're about to grab the chicken and stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you, my kind man.
Alright. Let us get out this section. Get out. Gotta kick. Yeah, I know. The dry age. Yes.
Dang.
Look. Well, you got your Wagyu in the house, son.
I know.
You just gotta get something to go with it. Now, we had to come all the way to Whole Foods to get these dang on chicken thighs because he didn't want to go to our other grocery store to get them. So here we are. We were supposed to make this yesterday, but we didn't because we didn't feel like riding all the way over here. What's wrong?
They don't have the thighs in the family pack.
What's wrong with those? Well, yeah, because the family pack is bigger. What's these? It's That's not the same thing?
What, those down there? That's
No.
breast and party wings and whole chicken.
Oh, I see what you're saying. The family packs is down here. Use the regular size ones. Look, they even come individually. So if you're like a single person and don't want to have the whole package of meat to waste or the store, Whole Foods has the single serving. Yeah, right here.
That's boneless?
Oh, right. Yes, thank you for the bonus, because that way I won't got to debone them.
Because these boneless, but they cost, well, they actually cheaper. Wait, are these boneless?
Because normally the bonus are more expensive because it's taking that work out. So you having a
Got chicken juice on me.
meal. Why the phone so
Oh yes, these are boneless.
I say, why is it so close up on us?
These are boneless styles.
Those are cheaper?
No. These are $8.49.
I thought you was about to say yes.
The bone-in drinks are $6.99.
But yeah, because the bone in, you have to debone it yourself. So it's going to be, they want you to do the work.
I might feel like doing all that tonight.
So you're going to have to pay for convenience with the boneless. All right, we need sour cream. Oh, you know what? I can, I'm a pan sear these to get a little char on it first. That's going to be good. Versus just cutting it off like the regular corn. Where is everything at?
Hey, Gray, do you have nasty stone on this side?
Where's sour cream?
I was about to say, you're not about to pay. Even that's $5.
No, it's $2.99.
Oh, okay. Oh. They don't have the big ones like Giant for $2.99 or $1.99?
Now they 4 or 3.
See, this is why we were just supposed to be getting. That's why we were just supposed to be getting the meat out of here and then everything else from the other store. So we're going to pay more in here for the little stuff that we.
Pasture raised organic sour cream.
I don't even know what that is.
I don't. So let's just go with the regular stuff.
It's got to be an extra gourmet Chipotle Bowl.
Yeah, it's a gourmet Chipotle Bowl.
Boy, with your $6 dang on sour cream, you tripping.
All right, what else? I don't need nothing else from that.
I mean, mozzarella does go on the Chipotle Bowl, but we don't have to have that.
Mushroom and cheese.
Okay. That's one of my favorite spots in Whole Foods is the cheese section. So we need a white cheese, y'all. Something still on the lines of mozzarella. Okay. Can't really smell nothing.
Let's just take a chance.
Okay. Try that one.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can use the Parmesan grater in the house. So, how we know if it's creamy or not, and it's not like hard like the Parmesan.
Yep.
Okay.
And it don't look creamy.
Yeah, do you want like a creamy cheese like the mozzarella?
You want your eggs? Sure.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. Can I see this? Let me see it real quick, cool.
Sorry.
Do you know if this is creamy like mozzarella?
No.
It's like Parmesan section.
It's in the middle, but it doesn't really melt like mozzarella, and it's not as stiff as Parmesan though.
Okay.
Or as Parmesan.
Okay. We're trying to make like a Chipotle bowl, but instead of like the regular mozzarella, we want something different, but on the same lines of that texture.
You mean like the mozzarella shredder?
Yeah.
We have mozzarella, but like the
No, we want something other than mozzarella.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would have to recommend the Goudas because it's the only one that really melts nicely. Like if for Chipotle Bowl.
Okay.
Like especially red wax because it has like no flavor.
Okay.
But if you want some type of flavor, then there's smoke food, which is the yellow one, and then the 3 chili, which has a bit of spice to it.
Oh, you know what? I'm actually saying was good. That 3
Which one?
chili.
The 3 chili?
Yeah. No? Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It smells good too.
Smells good. Let me see. I can't still smell it, but it looks good.
It
Yeah.
smells good.
Let's try that one. All right. So, we need some garlic powder and some. Do we have any more cumin in the house?
All that stuff is in the Chipotle packet.
But you still gotta season like the while Daddy making his salad. I had came over here to look at these iced teas. They look pretty good. But sometimes I be thinking these drinks look good and then they taste like something totally different when I, open it up. No, it's honey green tea looks good, and then it's Moroccan mint green tea. I think I'm gonna get one of these. That looks good. I don't know. I like minty things. Something nice and refreshing. Making his salad. It's always his one stop that he does when we come in this stuff. Is that garlic? We'll get some of that for the we can use some of the fresh garlic, the roasted garlic for the Chipotle Bowl. Yeah, just get a couple cloves.
Well, you got to give me a little basket.
Okay. Yeah. Getting some roasted garlic from the salad bar. Pull out Chipotle Bowl. That should be good. Something different. Salad good. Little salad dressing. Have to go in with about 2 or 3 different kinds.
Yeah.
What kind is that?
Caesar.
Caesar.
A little splash of balsamic.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh wow, that's something new. Sushi. 100, but I don't know why I didn't get no plastic bag for that pepper. Bro, that is not like me. Look, don't be in Wholefoods thinking I'm bougie.